Hi, Isaac.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, what are we going to do today?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, hey, guess what? I got a gift for you.
Wow.
Woo! Isaac the Toy Boy, thank you for playing with us. Okay, guys, here we are in another episode of Isaac versus Nana. And today what we have is Toilet Trouble. Uh-oh. Hey, guys, who's going to win today?
Me.
Okay, Nana's 1-1, Isaac's 1-1. All right, we're about to find out, but this is a really cool game that we got from Walmart, and it's made by Hasboro Gaming, one of our favorite toy companies. Okay, well, here we go. I guess we're gonna unbox it real fast, and then we'll read the directions, and we'll let the competition begin. Woo! Wow, there we go. Ooh, cool. Wow.
What's that?
I don't know. We're going to find out, though.
Where do you get it out of there? There it goes. Taped. There.
There we go.
What is it?
It's a toilet.
Why?
Why? Because it just is.
That's how you play the game.
Yeah, that's how you play the game. Okay, show your friends out there. Show them. Whoa, that's super cool. It's got, woo, around and around it goes.
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
Do it on the mask.
Oh, okay.
All right, there we go. Wow, and what is this? I guess this is a toilet seat.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know this.
Hold on.
I know.
Okay, here.
I don't know this.
All right, guys, so we're gonna put this thing together, and then we're gonna read the instructions, and we'll be back here in a second. Okay? Woo! Okay, guys, we are back, and we have the toilet put together, made by Hasbro. Thank you, Hasbro. And what they did is they made a game that's basically Russian roulette with a toilet stool. And what happens is each player is going to spin the toilet paper roll, and whatever number they land on, that's how many times they have to flush the toilet. And who knows? You might get sprayed, you might not. We don't know. But what's gonna happen is each person's gonna take their turn doing that, and whenever somebody gets sprayed in the face, they are out. And we keep doing that until there's only one person left. And also, by the way, Paul has decided to make his grand entrance into the saga. Yep. Nana's going down. Who do you think's gonna be the first one out? You? Okay, let's hope not. And also we have Mama. Mama decided to show up in her pretty pink cardigan over here. Pregnant as all get out. And so anyways, we're gonna start, but Isaac has nominated Mama to start the show. Are you ready, Mama?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, here we go, guys. What'd you get?
1.
1.
It's kind of scary.
Yeah, it is. Oh, Mama made it past round 1. Okay, Paul, here we go. What'd you get, Paul?
1.
1. Okay, Paul. Ooh. Paul's okay. He made it through the first round. All right, it's Isaac's turn.
Isaac's turn. 3. 1, 2,
All the way, bud.
3. Aww.
Oh, no.
Okay. 2. 1, 2.
Ooh, she made it. Uh-oh.
It's not gonna get Mama. I know one's gonna get it.
How many you got, Mama?
It's only 1. 2.
She's got 2 rolls. Here we go. Oh, first one. Oh, no. It's Paul's turn, looking all serious.
2.
2 times.
Ready?
Ooh, moment of truth. Woo!
It's your turn.
It's your turn, Isaac.
Okay, Isaac.
Push the knob all the way down. Make the sound. What does he got?
You gotta make the sound.
3.
3. Good job. 1, 2. Oh! Isaac's out. Are you okay, Isaac? Okay, good deal. All right, it's down to Nana and Paul.
You're going down.
Okay, 2. 1, 2.
Oh, here we go.
You think Paul's gonna get it?
Yeah!
Okay, ready?
2 times, Paul.
Come here, watch the Paul. Look at him.
1.
Oh, Nana's the winner.
No, Nana won. High five.
High five, yeah! Good job, Ice. All right. Well, hey, Isaac.
Yeah!
Do you like this game?
Yeah!
Do you want to say thank you to Hasboro?
Yeah! Thank you, Howard!
Yeah, thank you, Hasboro. How about let's say goodbye to our friends?
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you for playing with us. Yeah, all right. Hey, but before we leave, I forgot this. If you like this video, guys, go ahead and like and subscribe the video. There's a subscribe button right here, and there's also a subscribe button down below, right down here. And we're just gonna ask you to hit that. That way we can make more videos for you guys, and you guys can join us and play with us a little bit more, okay? So once again, we are gonna say bye.